Welcome to today's talk on 15 impressive real-world scenarios for ChatGPT Code Interpreter. We'll explore how ChatGPT can be your coding sidekick, helping you out with troubleshooting errors, generating handy code snippets, explaining those tricky programming concepts, and even providing interactive code examples. It's like having a coding buddy right at your fingertips. Let's begin. 1. Segment your customers quickly. It uses a data sheet and then automatically groups different parts of the music market. Before, a person had to spend hours writing code in R or Matlab to do this. 2. Break down seasonal trends easily with text. It automatically figured out the specific seasonal changes in Bitcoin's price very fast. Previously, you did this analysis yourself. 3. Linear regression made easy. Just by asking the code interpreter for interesting ideas, you get a nicely built automated linear regression. Before, you had to create this using R or SAS code after formulating the hypothesis on your own. 4. Making geocharts is simple now. Just upload your location data, and you get a visual representation, like a GIF of twinkling lighthouses in the US. Before, you had to use costly software like Tableau for this. 5. Display public data without any effort. It can gather data from public databases like the IMF and make a visualization for you with no work required. Previously, you had to find the data, load it into your software, and then format the chart. Now all these steps are done automatically for you. 6. Create simple charts quickly. By just requesting some basic visualizations, you can complete all the data exploration steps that used to take hours in just a few seconds. Before, you had to think of the ideas yourself, even if making the charts was straightforward. 7. Creating radar charts made easy. It automatically made this typically challenging chart after studying a user's 300-hour Spotify playlist. Before, these charts were only possible with certain software, and were difficult to set up. 8. Creating heat maps is now simple. A CSV file of San Francisco's crime data turned into this heat map without any instructions needed. 9. Easily generate log charts. Just ask ChatGPT to examine a dataset, and it will identify when a log transformation is needed and then create the chart itself. Previously, you had to carry out the transformation on your own before making the chart. 10. Creating cohort charts made simple. Just upload your data, and it will put together your cohorts and create the chart in a few seconds. Previously, this was a process that involved several steps of grouping and charting. Now, it's done automatically. 11. Select and debug your clustering algorithm easily. Grouping into clusters of 100 at a large scale used to be a painstaking task in Python. Now Code Interpreter handles it all for you in a few seconds and even corrects its own errors. 12. Use natural language queries to lessen stakeholder questions. Data scientists often used to be interrupted with simple queries from stakeholders, such as, "What's the average list price?" Now they can easily answer these questions using the Code Interpreter. 13. Easily graph mathematical functions. Before, you had to use a math tool to create a simple plot and define all the formula's elements. Now the Code Interpreter will make assumptions and do it all without any directions. 14. Easily clean your data. Data cleaning was once a tiresome job full of human-made decisions. Now Code Interpreter can make smart choices for you, like getting rid of unneeded columns. 15. Do everything mentioned before in one place, super quick. In the future, everyone will be able to analyze data with ease, all thanks to Code Interpreter.